The grazing rotation seems effective here.
Yes, the herd health scores are excellent across the board.
Open gate 3, keep them moving steady.
Gate 3 is clear. Gate 3 is clear. Temperature reading is 38.5.
Confirmed. Record the ear tag scan and vitals, Michael.
Yes, doctor, inputting the data now. Temperature is steady at 101.5. Respiration is good.
Copy that, logging it now.
We need more pressure on the rear spray bar.
Ramping it up now. Levels look good on the monitor. Check the pressure on Unit 3. It's holding steady. Send the next one through.
We have 3 more in this group. Noted. Keep the pace steady.
We have a slight variation here near the center, sir. I see it. Check the thickness with the caliper. 0.8 millimeters.
We have a slight imperfection right here. You okay? Yes, I've noted the coordinates on the tablet. It meets the quality threshold.
We need to adjust the tension right here, otherwise the cut won't be precise enough. Understood. We can realign it now before the next phase.
Water quality remains optimal, A, and the flow rate is steady.
Yes, Supervisor. The new filtration system is working well.
It's spot on with the reference swatch.
Yes, the consistency is exactly what we aimed for.
The shade match is perfect, and the texture is consistent across the roll. Excellent. Approved for the next stage.
All right, measurements confirmed. Proceed with the cutting.
Yes, starting now.
This batch is ready for your review. Looks excellent. Proceed to storage.
We have 300 units of the dark brown finalized in the system now.
Perfect. I'll update the physical tags immediately.
The grain looks excellent, consistent with the sample.
Confirmed. Batch 45B matches the specifications on the scanner.
The quality reports align with the inventory count here.
Excellent. Everything is approved for production.
I'll make a note of the sign-off.